In today's episode, we're going to fix this broken scooter.
You're watching the Kodakuna Rider YouTube channel.
I swear I might die if I cared more, but you're not worth the time. You never put me up front 'cause it's your spot. Like I'm in the backseat of my own car. I'd rather cry than let you drive me crazy one more night.
Well, I got contacted by a subscriber whose scooter is broken. And this is what I've come and found. So what has happened, it's been sitting around for about 3 years. No one's ridden it. They took it to the bike shop and they said that the fuel pump is broken. So here's a fuel pump. Here's the tank that they took out. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. Can we see it in there? Oh, look in there. Okay. So for the bike shop to fix it, it was going to cost about $1,000. Needs a new battery as well. There's a battery. But the bike's only worth about $500, so they didn't get it fixed and they brought it back home. But I think we can fix it for cheaper. So let's take this home and we'll have a good look at this pump and the tank, see if we can clean it up and get it working and give them their scooter back to ride around.
Make yourself feel just a little bigger. I don't know if I've seen anything that's sadder. It's so hard to comprehend how you don't even understand. Stepping on me without even trying. Never seen somebody get so good at lying. It's impressive you don't spend all your time crying over all the ways you let me down. So many I could drown.
Okay, I just got home, so let's have a look in this tank. It's not looking very nice. So this is our pump. Oh, look at it. There is just rust everywhere. Look at it in the filter and the pump there. The whole pump's just wrecked. Look at it. Okay, but let's get our water blaster out and give this a good squirt inside and see if it cleans up or what comes out of there. Okay, let's give it a blast.
I'd rather cry than let you drive me crazy, lose my mind, and
Oh, there it comes. Look at it all.
but you're not worth the time. You never put me up front 'cause it's your spot. Like I'm in the backseat of my own car.
Already looking better. Look at that.
You drive me crazy one more night. Typical emotional, sensitive and cynical.
Oh, it's getting
Took my
cleaner.
sanity and sent it up the wall. Typical emotional, it's so unoriginal. I give you the best and you just took it all.
Okay, well the tank is all dry. There is a little bit of that surface rust in there. Like that. But remember, this is a 50cc scooter. We're not dealing with a high-powered machine. And we're not going to go and buy a whole new tank just because of that. So what you're looking at there is actually the top part of the tank. So it's not bad compared to what it was. I cleaned in the top as well. It's pretty clean. So what we've also got is our used pump has arrived. So these new cost about $220, I think I found one. So this is a used one I got for $90 on the internet. So good enough, if it's working, of course.
I'd rather cry than let you drive me crazy, lose my mind, and I swear I might die if I cared more, but you're not worth the time. You never put me up front 'cause it's your spot. Like I'm in the backseat of my own car. I'd rather cry than let you drive me crazy one more night.
And there we have it, all back together. So I've also got a brand new battery for the scooter because that it had it. So it's time to head back to the house and to put it all back together and see if we can get this scooter working. Okay, we're back. Okay, I've put the tank in. Everything's roughly in place. The little solenoid here for the injector for the fuel was out. I've plugged that back in. Let's see what happens. Okay, I could hear the fuel pump going. I've put the new battery in as well. Let's see what happens. Whoa! Wow. First kick. Okay. How easy was that? I'll switch it back off and I'll put all this cover back together and we'll be finished. Okay, it's all back together. Let's start it up. That's great. Let's go for a little burn and see how it goes. Here we go.
Sensitive and cynical, took my sanity and sent it up the wall. Typical emotional, it's so unoriginal. I gave you the best and you just took it all. I'd rather cry than let you drive me crazy, lose my mind, and I swear I might die if I cared more. But you're not worth the time. You never put me up front 'cause it's your spotlight. I'm in the backseat of my own car. I'd rather cry than let you drive me crazy one more night. You never put me up front 'cause it's your spotlight. I'm in the backseat of my own car. I'd rather cry than let you drive me crazy one more night.
And there she is, all fixed, all running, and fixed for $120. Better than 1,000. I'm sure they'll be very happy. Thanks a lot. Always remember, drive like you know each other. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
I